BMW has introduced a new variant to its X3 SUV lineup in the Indian market. The new variant comes in the form of BMW X3 xDrive 30i SportX trim and is priced at Rs 56.50 lakh ex-showroom India. The new variant is now the entry-level offering to the brand's mid-size SUV offering, making it a more affordable option compared to its rivals in the segment. The new BMW X3 xDrive 30i SportX variant will be locally produced at the brand's facility in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and will be available with a single petrol engine option. Bookings for the new variant have begun, and early customers of the new SportX trim are set to receive exclusive benefits and offers worth up to Rs 1.50 lakh. The accessories package include LED door projectors, universal wireless charger, BMW display key, and a 2.5 pm air filter. Similarly, the service package covers all maintenance work, including any original parts and oil requirements for a period of 3 years or 40,000 km, whichever is earlier. The BMW X3 xDrive 30i SportX comes packed with equipment both inside and outside. Starting with the exteriors, the 2021 BMW X3 SportX variant features LED headlamps, LED fog lamps with a new design, signature kidney grille up front, LED tail lights, revised roof spoiler, and dual exhaust pipes, among others. The SportX trim comes with the brand's Live Cockpit Plus and 8.8-inch touchscreen with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, BMW Voice Assistant, Parking Assistant, 3D navigation, and many more. The new SUV trim also comes equipped with a 5.1-inch digital instrument cluster with analog dials, multiple drive modes, Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus, powered tailgate, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and many others as well. Powering the new BMW X3 xDrive 30i SportX variant is a 2.0-liter twin-power turbo petrol engine. It produces 248 bhp and 360 Nm of peak torque. Paired with an 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission, BMW claims that the X3 SportX trim can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.3 seconds. Royal Enfield has launched the 2021 Himalayan in the Indian market. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 2021 is now offered with a price tag of Rs 2.01 lakh ex-showroom Chennai. The new model comes with a host of new features and equipment, along with 3 new color options as well. Booking for the Royal Enfield Himalayan 2021 is now open across all dealerships in India. Customers can also make their bookings for the new Himalayan online via the brand's official website. Deliveries for the 2021 Himalayan are also expected to begin shortly. Starting off with the cosmetic changes, the Royal Enfield Himalayan 2021 carries forward the same design and silhouette as its previous models. However, there are a few minor updates. These include updated seats, which now offer improved comfort and riding ergonomics, especially for long-distance touring, updated rear carrier and front metal frame, and the addition of a new windscreen as well. However, the most significant cosmetic update is the introduction of the 3 new paint scheme options of 2021 Himalayan. The off-roader is now available in Pine Green, Granite Black, and Mirage Silver. All 3 color options will be sold alongside the existing options of Gravel Grey, Rock Red, and Lake Blue. The 2021 Himalayan now also features Royal Enfield's Tripper navigation. The new simple turn-by-turn navigation pod has been fitted alongside the motorcycle's semi-digital instrument cluster. The new Tripper navigation is powered by Google Maps and is connected to the rider's smartphone via Bluetooth and a dedicated Royal Enfield app. Finally, the 2021 Royal Enfield Himalayan is now part of the brand's Make It Yours initiative. This allows Himalayan customers to personalize and accessorize their motorcycle according to their requirement and liking. The Make It Yours initiative is available for customers across all platforms, the RE app, website, and even at dealerships. Apart from the above, no other changes have been made on the 2021 Himalayan. The updated motorcycle continues to be powered by the same BS6 compliant engine as before. This comes in the form of a 411cc single-cylinder SOHC air-cooled unit. It produces 24.3 bhp and 32 Nm of peak torque and is mated to a 5-speed gearbox. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 2021 is one of the most popular off-road options in the Indian market. The motorcycle takes on the likes of the BMW G310 GS and the KTM 390 Adventure. Skoda Auto has released the official design sketches of the upcoming mid-size SUV, the Kushaq. The all-new Skoda Kushaq is scheduled to be globally unveiled on the 18th March. Ahead of its world premiere, the official design sketches give us a first glimpse of what the final production spec SUV could look like. The Skoda Kushaq was unveiled in its concept form as the Vision In at the 2020 Auto Expo. The SUV will be first production from the Skoda Volkswagen brand to be underpinned by the new India-specific MQB AO In platform. Once launched, the Skoda Kushaq will be positioned in the mid-size SUV segment, rivaling the likes of the Kia Seltos, Hyundai Creta, Tata Harrier, and Volkswagen T-Roc. The sketches showcase the front and the rear parts of the SUV, while the interiors are yet to be revealed. The design sketches of the exterior reveal the Kushaq carrying the brand's signature front grille, flanked on either side by split headlamps with LED units. The front bumper also houses a large intake with skid plates below, all of which give it a muscular look to the SUV. This is further enhanced by the flat bonnet with sharp lines, adding to the aggressive design that the SUV carries all around. The side and rear profile of the Kushaq also carry forward the same aggressive character with flared wheel arches and a sharp shoulder line extending up to the LED wrap around tail lights. The SUV also features roof rails and a roof-mounted spoiler at the back with a LED stop lamp. The boot lid comes with the bold Skoda lettering, while the rear bumper features skid plates adding a rugged character to an otherwise sporty and sharp-looking SUV. Skoda is yet to unveil the interiors of the upcoming Skoda Kushaq, although we do expect it to come packed with a host of features, equipment and technology. This could include a digital instrument cluster, large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and My Skoda Connect tech, ambient lighting, wireless charging and many more. Skoda has confirmed the powertrain options on the upcoming Kushaq. The new SUV will be offered with a choice of two petrol engines. This includes a 1.0-litre TSI, the same one seen on the Skoda Rapid, and a 1.5-litre TSI which powers the Volkswagen T-Roc. Transmission options will come in the form of a standard 6-speed manual along with the options of either a 6-speed torque converter with the 1.0-litre TSI or a 7-speed DSG automatic with the 1.5-litre TSI. BMW Motorrad has announced the launch of the new R18 Classic Cruiser motorcycle in the Indian market. The new BMW R18 Classic Cruiser motorcycle is priced at Rs 24 lakhs ex-showroom India. The new R18 Classic Cruiser is now the second member in the brand's heritage range, which also includes the standard R18 model, introduced in India last year. The new R18 Classic Cruiser motorcycle is now available for bookings at all BMW Motorrad showrooms across the country. The cruiser will be imported to India via the CBU completely built unit route, with deliveries for the same set to begin shortly. The new BMW R18 Classic is a more tourer-oriented version of the cruiser motorcycle. It comes with a number of additional features and components over and above that on the standard model. This includes a tall windscreen and a set of matching saddlebags. The design of the BMW R18 Classic is reminiscent of the old school motorcycles, which comes combined with all new age features and technologies. The R18 Classic comes with a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, circular-shaped instrument cluster, exposed drive shaft, double cradle frame and more. BMW combines these heritage design elements with modern features such as state-of-the-art LED headlamps, sickle-shaped LED DRLs, LED taillights and an integrated digital display on the instrument cluster. Apart from the design elements, the BMW R18 Classic comes packed with a host of electronic rider aids and safety equipment as well. This includes aids such as 3 riding modes: rain, roll and rock, disengageable traction control, automatic stability control, dynamic engine brake control, keyless ride, hill start control and electronic cruiser control, among others. The new BMW R18 Classic continues to be powered by the same 1802cc 2-cylinder air oil-cooled boxer engine, the most powerful boxer engine in series production by BMW. The engine produces 91 bhp at 4,750 rpm and 158 Nm of torque at 3,000 rpm, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The results for one of the most prestigious motorcycle awards are out. The 2021 Indian Motorcycle of the Year, the all-new Royal Enfield Meteor 350 claims the award, registering the highest points from the jury members across various categories. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 registered the win after facing stiff competition from a range of 10 shortlisted motorcycles across various segments. The motorcycle is one of the newest offerings from the Chennai-based two-wheeler manufacturer. The Meteor 350 replaced the brand's Thunderbird 350 offering in the lineup. While the Meteor 350 carries forward a similar design as its predecessor, underneath it features a complete change. This includes the introduction of an all-new 350cc single-cylinder OHC engine producing slightly better power and torque figures. Apart from the new engine, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 also comes with a new Tripper navigation, which offers a smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, which connects via a dedicated app. This feature is powered by Google and offers turn-by-turn navigation. The year 2020 was a tough one for the Indian automotive industry, yet the two-wheeler segment has done well despite all the headwinds, and this is reflective through the participation of 10 strong contenders in the Indian Motorcycle of the Year category. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 has become an instant success in the Indian market. The replacement for the Thunderbird with the brand new engine offers excellent levels of refinement along with packing a host of features, making it an extremely attractive model. Guys, do let us know in the comment section which is your favorite bike, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.